Hey, it's fabulous story time again. Malaya here. Are you ready to read with me? Yeti and the Bird, written and illustrated by Nadia Shireen. Publisher, Athenaeum Books for the Young Readers. Deep in the forest, there lived a Yeti. He was the biggest, hairiest, scariest beast anyone had ever seen, so everyone left him alone. But Yeti was lonely. Then one day, thunk, something landed on his head. It was a bird. Squawk, 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 squawk. Rawr! And this little bird didn't seem scared of Yeti at all. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Not one bit. Instead, the bird told Yeti all about her journey. She seemed to think she landed on a hot tropical island for the winter. Grow? Said Yeti. Sure enough, when the bird looked for sunshine and palm trees, there weren't any. She was lost. The bird stopped bouncing and chirping. Pat, pat, pat. Yeti wasn't sure what to do with the sad little thing. After a while, he decided to pick up the bird and take her home. The next day, the forest woke to a peculiar sight. Yeti and the bird were playing. Rawr! And Yeti was laughing with a hearty roar nobody had heard before. Every evening, the friends sang sweet, sad songs together, which soothed the forest to sleep. Yeti wished the bird could stay forever, but it was getting colder, and he knew that soon his small friend would need to fly away. So Yeti carefully examined the bird's map and found out where she needed to go. Then he made sure she was packed and ready for the long journey ahead. Squawk! Yeti sighed. Without the bird, he was even lonelier than before. Until... Grrr! Some new friends came out to play. Thud! Deep in the forest, there lives a Yeti with all his new friends. And every now and then, an old friend pops by to say hello. Grow? Squawk, squawk. Yay, the Yeti isn't lonely anymore. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to see our next video. We'll see you later. Bye.